It is very difficult. It's very dangerous. Don't do this when you're... I am very
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
professional, so I do this. If you're not professional picking up the santulation, so don't do this, okay? Like this. Oh. Very good fruit. Ganon. Here my mama's there, so my mama's broke the coconut tree, the coconut for making gata. So my mama is, mama parang mapurol na ang sundang mo. So pagpasensyahan nyo guys because mapurol po talaga ang sundang, ang the knife. Ang tawag po dyan is big knife kasi malaki po siya ang kutsilyo. So big knife po ang tawag dyan, the big knife. And then ayan po ang aking mama. May towel mo. Ano malago? Lago age. Let's go guys! So ayan mga ka-family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ayan, today's video, so I picking up the santulation. So I don't know what is the English of santo, so gawin na natin, santulation. So let's go guys. So we picking up here tonight, today, tomorrow. But because I'm so hungry, so paano bang pag-akit dito, Ben? Mag-akit tayo ng santol. We panic the santulation. I-cover mo bis sa santol. Ayan, so this is the Bangkocation. Ano namin na ulog, bes? Ayan, up the... Bigyan ako tere. Hindi talaga tere.
Sa ibong dapat.
Hindi talaga nag-akit. Baka lubot ko, bes, na exposure. So, I'm so tired of this. So, I'm going to... Ayan. So, mga ka-Barbie! I'm here! So, ayan. So, kukuha tayo ng mga santulation. So, ayan. Ah! Ang sarap! Ayan, o. One. Bibilangin po natin yung mga ka-Barbie. Pagkaroon mo ang pag-food.
Matitingbak ako ngayon.
Bibitig-dig ko sa mag-ibig dapat mag-cover up ng Barbie na. So, ayan. So, I'm so tired of being gay. So, I'm here you tonight, today, tomorrow. Hello? Hello? Sound check, sound check. Okay. Paano bang pagkuha nito, Besh? Magtutok donation. So, this is the kind of... This is a kind of bamboo made by bamboo. It is a kind of pang-tokdolation. So we need to do it like this because the santulation is very far at me. So I don't picking up. Usually the santul is very far. So we need to things like this. Pak o balok na tokdog.
Ay, ikaw ba ako nalog?
Like this. Ay! Paano ba? Ay! Oh, ayan, ka-family. So, ganon ang pagtok. I'm so tired of doing
Ay, dyan, love.
Ay, ano ito talaga? Yugo-yugo! Huwag yugo-yugo. Hindi po kalok ka. Mama, okay lang kahit mga hindi pa hinog.
Alag to ka dyan, love ko.
A few moments later.
You do this like this, you be very careful because there is more tanga here, there's more ants. The ants it's over here
Liga ayop
me.
ka.
So I don't know what is going on. The ants would like to eat me. So okay, we need to a proper procedure. Proper procedure. Ang kinay ko! Hanggang dito na lang tayo, be. Hindi ko na mga ka-Barbie kaya. So nakakatakot, Barbie.
Alag to ginaayop ka. Ito mo na di mo yung
So Barbie, this is my niece, okay, and their family. So we starting eating. So don't eating because we need to celebrate. There is the monkey one here. Ayan, monkey. Ayan, siya po ay isang Barbie. She looks like me, mga ka-Barbie. Ayan. The Wonder Becky 2, ganon. And then the unggoy is there at kaming me. Mahulog ka ang sumayuyup ka Barbie, so I'm here at the very part of the moment. This is I'm studying. I'm still going on the fruit, picking up the fruit like this.
Picturean ko ito.
Video mo dito, tiga ko ako. Like this. Ay, very difficult picking like this because the fruits, the sample is very higher than me, very far. So not like others, the fruits is very near. So we need to like this, the bamboo tocdolation. Ayan, so mga ka-Barbie, to picking up the sample. So hi! Mga ka-Barbie,
2 hours later.
this is very difficult, it's very dangerous. Don't do this when you're... I am very professional, so I do this. If you're not professional picking up the santolation, so don't do this, okay? Like this. Oh, very good fruit. Ganon. Ito marunong. Ganito lang pag picking up. And then, if you want to another like this, another one, you mabubuhay ko doon. You guide this. There are two. Very good. Ubi ko, I'm so tired picking up. So, madyan daw ako sa inyo. So, ayan mga ka-Barbie, we need to it's done picking up the santolation. It's because I don't know how to pick the santol because hindi ako na mga ka-Barbie marunong. So, we need to another facility. Hindi ba ka may bote dyan? Kulong! Diyos ko, I'm so tired mga ka-Barbie. So, we're done. So, nagpapurot ako. So, we need to pick the sample that I ever. We need to do this because diyan mo lang ako dito. So ayan, we're picking up the santolations here. You tonight, today, tomorrow. Buboy, baka malugtok mo ako
Pagliliw mo, tiga-ulugan mo.
So very good. Very
Aray ko, ayop. Si Burik, mag-iling ka sabi kang tigaan man mo.
So here, the santolation. So it's very delicious guys. It's because ako rin po nito ang nagtanim ng santol na yan. Hindi i-cover ba ang santol? Ako po niyan ang nagtanim mga ka-Barbie. Alam mo, kasi yung kabataan ko, tinai ko lang po yan mga ka-Barbie. Tinai ko lang po yan. Video mo daw ako. Ako po ang nagtanim niyan kasi itinai ko lang naman po yan mga ka-Barbie. Yung kabataan ko. So, itinai ko po yun siya. So ako po, galing po yan sa sinapupunan ko. Yan, the tree of santol. Galing po sa sinapupunan ko. Kaya ako po ang may magmamay-ari nito. Kasi
A few moments later.
delicious mga ka-Barbie. Very delicious and alzamation! Bell! You focus it. It's very delicious. This. The cover of the Santos. Sometimes the cover of the santolation you can cook as your ulam. Kakayo din siya mga ka-Barbie. So, and the coconut going to bunot. Ayan, ganyan like this. Oh, 'di ba ang galing ni Mi? Pagpasensya nyo na mga ka-Barbie kasi wala na po kaming papa, umalis na po, nagpunta na po ng langit noong February 3. So, siya na lang po ang mama and papa ko. Ayan, yan po. Si mama, papa na, ganon. Double purpose po yun na mama ko. Ayan. After that, kakayo rin po yan na buko. Yan po na coconut. Ayan po, ganito po sa mountain. Ay, may tubo na, mami! May tubo na yan? Ayan.